Hey, it's Dina Colada. I'm so excited that you're here to watch this video because this is a really important tutorial and I'm going to talk about how to create a business email in Google Workspace. And this is really beneficial. I love using Google Workspace and having Google emails because I can look at my Gmail account, my personal account, all of my different business accounts that I have in one simple place where I can log in, check out all my different accounts. So that's why I like to do this. And if you haven't seen my other video, I talked about the importance of why you should have a business professional email account. It kind of sets you apart from the riffraff. It makes you look like a real, true entrepreneur and business owner and that's what every business owner wants. So this is how we're going to get started. The first thing I want you to do is you can go to Google Workspace. You can type in workspace.google.com straight into your browser. You can also download the app onto your phone if you're doing that. But I'm going to do this I'm going to do this video on desktop. So when you're on the Workspace homepage, take a minute to just kind of poke around, explore, and see what is included. But when you're on this page here, you can click the Get Started button in the middle or up on the top hand right corner. It's blue. So that's pretty simple. And I already have Google Workspace accounts with my other businesses. So I'm going to create a new business right now, and it's called Corkabee. So you're going to want to just put your business name there. I'm the only person running it, and I'm in the United States. You can pick how many employees you have, including yourself if you have more than one, and then click Next. So we're going to pick Dina Colada as my name. I'm going to put in my current address, and I'll have to blur that out later so you guys don't know where I live. All right. And then we're going to click, it asks for my current. Okay, got my first name, my last name, and now we're going to put in my current email address, which is my personal email. It's my email that I use all the time for different things. Does your business have a domain? So if you don't have a domain, I think that it's really important to have your own personal domain, your own mybusinessname.com. You can also do WordPress. You can get free ones that has the other software where you developed your website, but it's going to have their name in the front. It might be harder to find you. It looks more professional if you have your own .com name. So you can probably buy it here. It says no, I need one. You can buy it through Google. You can buy it through GoDaddy. You can get it through SiteGround, Namecheap. There's all kinds of different places you can get it. So I already bought mine, and I bought it on GoDaddy. I have pros and cons about GoDaddy, but it was working very well, and they do have good customer support there. You can actually call them if you have problems. So I'm going to go ahead and click, yes, I have one. My business name, it says, enter your business's domain name. You'll use it to set up your custom email addresses like your name at yourwebsite.com. And we're going to walk you through this right now. So you don't need to put HTTPS or www. I'm going to put corkabee.com. Simple. Your business name and your .com at the end. And then click Next. So it says use this domain to set up your account. You betcha. And it says email sent to corkabee.com won't be affected until you set up an email with this account. So I'm going to use that domain with this email account. So click Next. And there's the next line. It says educate your users. It says we'll send your users information about Google Workspace apps, new features, and tips to improve productivity. They can opt out at any time. I'm going to click no thanks because I don't want to spam my email list. I want to keep it clean. I want to send them information about the software product that they signed up for. It's called Corkabee. So click that. I am going to put my name, and you can put support, you can put help at yourbusinessname.com, but I like to have a person's name. It feels more personalized, and the people receiving the email know you're a person and you're not just some robot sending them an email. Okay, so I've got my password picked out. Pick one you can use easy to remember. I actually have a password manager. I use onepassword.com. I'm not an affiliate, but I love their product because it keeps my 300 usernames, passwords, URLs all stored in one place. If I didn't have it, I would drive myself crazy. Okay, so we're going to click agree and continue. I'm going to save my password there and click save, and it's going to load. It might take a little bit of time to create this workspace. All right. Review your payment plan. Try Google Workspace at no charge for 14 days. Now this says business plan is $18 a month. I'm going to actually click on the learn more button. Here we go. If you purchase your service from a reseller, you can maybe get a cheaper one. But I need to minimize my window here. I don't have a promo code, but it's going to charge me $18 a month. So if you sign up for the Flexible Business Plus, it's going to cost you $18 a month. If you have a promotion code, it's going to be less. I don't have one to log on now, but I do think that there is a cheaper plan. So after you try the $18 one, you can go in and go for the basic plan if you're just getting started. I think it's $6 a month or $8 a month. Pretty sure it's $6. It's what it used to be. Okay, so that's the only option they're giving me. Google is great at upselling me on the higher priced product, and I'm going to make sure I'm actually going to grab my Panda Planner and put a note in that for 14 days later to review and cancel my flexible plan. So if you're signing up for this and they're charging you $18 today, I'm going to look at the date and go 1-2, so February 13th. And if I don't take a note of this, I will forget. So I'm going to actually make it several days earlier and put it in my Panda Planner, which I love Panda Planner. It's changed my life and my productivity and my organization. And I'm not an affiliate for them either, but you know what? Actually, I will put an affiliate link in the bottom if you want to check them out on Amazon. Their products are amazing, amazing. So I'm going to put on Friday the 10th, change Corkabee to basic plan in Google Workspace. That is an important thing because it's going to save me $18 a month when I change that. Okay, enough of that rant. I'm going to click next, review and check out. The account type is business. There's my name. I'm going to put my street address here. You can put yours into my primary contact. We're going to put my phone number so you guys can all call me later. We're going to put in a debit or a credit card. Actually, I'm going to use PayPal just because I'm being lazy. All right, we're going to link up the PayPal account. You can just put your credit card, debit card in there if you want to do it that way. I like PayPal because it's simple. I push a button, it remembers everything for me, and I get my printouts at the end of the year for my taxes, for my deductions, which I need. All right, so we're going to pick the card to use, click save and continue. All right, it looks like everything is ready to go. Remember, you got 2 weeks for free. If you don't like it, you can cancel whenever you want before that 2 weeks is over, before you get charged. All right, it has been created. I'm going to continue to set up. Look at that, beautiful. beautiful new email address. It's going to be so empty. Maybe there's one or two from Google in here. Let's check this baby out. Here's our admin console. We're going to scope it out, be a little nosy and see what's going on. All right, here you can set up your Google Workspace. It says route your emails to Gmail inboxes. It takes 5 minutes. Wait time might be 60. I'm going to go ahead and click activate on that. And I think the $18 plan, actually, the $18 plan, you can have up to 5 users. If you're a solopreneur, you can just have one and pay the cheaper plan, I think. Okay, and here it says sign in to your domain host to activate Gmail. It says before you can use Google Workspace with your website, they're going to do a quick check to make sure you own your domain. After you sign in and authorize, they'll automatically start routing your emails to Gmail. So I bought my domain quirkabee.com at GoDaddy, so I'm going to sign in to activate it. So it's going to pop up my GoDaddy pop-up screen here, and it's going to load. So I think I'm already logged in because I was working on GoDaddy recently. Connect, and it looks like I think I'm good to go. I do believe. All right, it's verifying that I own quirkabee.com, and it's going to connect it to GoDaddy to make sure that I own that. And while they're activating the Gmail, I can tell you about my new business, Quirkabee, and it's going to be free. Right now, it's free for 21 days. That might change anytime in the near future. There will be a fee for this later. And Quirkabee is a new SaaS product, SaaS, which is software as a service. It's a B2C business, which is business to consumer, business to customer, which would be me to you if you like to have food and wine and you like to cook at home. It will be a really great place for you. It's the world's first recipe and wine pairing maker. So it's going to be using AI to create incredibly beautifully designed recipes for you. And one of the best parts about it is there's no fluff. You don't have to read a story this long before you get your recipe. And you can go in there and put your prompts. There's 2 of us. We're both vegetarians. We don't like tomatoes. I'm having dinner and I want a wine pairing with that. And quirkabee.com is actually going to generate recipes catered specifically to your guest's number, your taste. It can include or exclude specific foods if you don't like them, or if you have allergies, or somebody coming over for dinner only eats certain things and doesn't eat certain things. So anyway, that's just me blabbing on. So maybe I'm going to pause this video while my Gmail is getting activated, and I'll come back to you. Oh, I talked long enough. It worked. Amazing. Okay, Gmail is activated for quirkabee.com. Create new users is going to take 5 minutes. So click that blue button. I'm going to click continue. Create a new user for your team. Add up to 10 users, which I don't want because they'll just charge me for all the users. I'm going to click continue. And it says Gmail's activated for Quirkabee. I don't need new users because it's me by myself. So click skip for now if that's you. We don't want that. All right, we're going to send a test email. You can also check out Google Workspace. They have other apps. You can check it out on this screen. You can set it up to your phone. You can forward emails to different email addresses. There's Google Voice, and there's all kinds of business features you can use: calendars, Google Drive, Google Meet, and Gmail. But I'm going to just send a test email and see if it works. It's to DNAT Corkerbeast, and the test email says, "Hi, welcome to Google Workspace." Pretty excited. I love getting a new domain name and a new business name. It's always very exciting. So I'm going to click on this D here and manage my Google account and see what pops up. Okay, so now I'm going to open up another screen, go to Gmail. Let's see what we got here, people. Let's pop open that bad boy. Oh, okay, that's my personal account. We don't want to be in there. So I'm going to add another account. Alrighty then. So put your name and your business name. Hopefully I remember it. Bingo. Continue in a new Chrome profile. I'm going to click no thanks because I like to have all my emails in there so I can check them out together. I'm going to click no thanks because I want them all in one place. And then once you're in Gmail, you can get started if you are used to using Google or using Yahoo or AOL or Hotmail if somebody uses that anymore. So cool. Look here. I'm going to click that. You can set up, there's my Google Workspace free trial deal, which is great. And oh my gosh, I think that's it for this video. And I hope this has helped you to show you how you can use Google Workspace and keep all of your emails in one simple place. I love using Google Workspace, Gmail. It just makes my life easier. I can store tons of emails in there and not have to delete everything that I don't read. So anyway, I hope this video has helped, and I'll see you in the next video.